when you make a decision to partner with an operator, what, or maybe the one or two things that really stand out that you have confidence in, they know what they're doing? And then on the flip side, what are a couple things that you typically see as red flags, and it's going to make it harder for you to be able to work with them?
Everybody's going to have different criteria. The way I look at it is first the market, second the people, third the deal. So I want to be in strong growth markets. So Arizona, Texas, Florida, Georgia, Carolinas, Nashville, Colorado. So those are the kind of markets that I focus in on. If it's not in that market, I don't really care if it's a really strong operator. I'm not looking at the deal. Now they could be great deals. That's just my criteria. Second is the people. Do they have a good track record, and do I know them? Like I'm really not doing deals with people that I either don't know personally. And when I say no, I'm not saying for like a month. I mean, most likely I've known them for the last 2 or 3 years. Or I know people that know them and they have a really strong reputation. Um, so that's kind of what I'm focused on first to kind of get in the game. And then when I look at the deal, I want to have, because I come from the financing background, I want to really understand the loan. Um, that's a big factor, and a lot of deals are getting hurt right now because of interest rates going up. And I'm in some of those deals. I knew the risk, and I chose to do the deal anyway, because as an LP, because I knew the operator and wanted to get into that deal, but I knew the risk, and it's biting the deal. It's hurting cash flow because interest rates are going up. Red flags. I don't really look at red flags as much, because I get a lot of deals that come through my desk. So it's more about which deals am I going to do than oh, I'm totally staying away from this one. But things like, if you're, the financing is a piece for me. And the thing about this business is that some people are going to like Chris Bounds, and some people are going to like Darren Batchelder, and some people are going to, so there's some people, some syndicators I just click with better.
Mm-hmm.
Now, the performance on somebody else might be fantastic. They have a great track record, but I just don't click with that person as much.
Yeah.
And so I don't want to do business, and it's not just about the return. It's about, liking the people you're doing business with.
Yeah, yeah, because I mean, you're in a partnership agreement. I mean, it's temporary, 3, 5, 7, 10 years, but that's a marriage. And
Yeah. I mean, as an LP, you don't really have that much control once you wire the funds. You're reading an email. You can call and ask questions and whatnot, but you don't really have that much input into the day-to-day operations. But when you get in, you want to know that you're working with people that will pick up your call,
mm-hmm.
And that people that care about you and care about the investment capital that you're putting into the deal. So that's what I focus on.